Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRXC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, a nice way to close out the week and setting up a very interesting pattern here heading into next week. And I should just be, upfront. I'm not trying to come across like this is some sort of special discovery on my part or that I have some sort of fantastic talent. The exact opposite. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, have taken notice of this pattern too. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same thing and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have with this area here. So the first part of this pattern is this very clear area of resistance now that is formed via the trend line. So the price has tried on several occasions now to, break to the upside, but each time now the price actually just keeps on putting in lower highs. So that does represent that there is very clearly some selling pressure that's entered into the equation. But at the same time, you got to give credit where credit's due, because sure, the price has been, getting pushed further downwards, but the price has also been getting pushed upwards. So let me change this to green to represent more so a bullish attribute. So again, the flip side is, well, yeah, the bears keep trying to press down, but every time the bears try to press down, those lows keep getting higher and higher. So this is what would be known as a symmetrical triangle wedge pattern, whatever you want to call it. And you got to give it a bullish wedge. And the reason for that is this is all occurring in an overall uptrend. Now, don't get me wrong, just because it's a bullish pattern does not mean that for sure guaranteed the price is going to go upwards. If only trading were that easy. But my point is, it's a more than rational, it's a more than plausible thought to be having, hey, this is a bullish pattern, and odds are, the price has a good chance of going up. But that doesn't mean it will for sure happen. It's just a rational scenario to kind of run through your mind there. So overall, though, that'll be the big pattern to watch going into next week. So let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.